Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. A big warm welcome if you're new as well. We're going to be starting off with a wood log. This is just a small slice. I'm also going to be using this glass and we're going to kind of use it like a snow globe. So you want to make sure that it fits on top of the wood. You can see at the bottom here that fits really well. And you're going to take whatever ornaments you want to use. Now I've been playing off camera and I've really tried so many different things, but this is what worked best. So I'm going to be going with candy cane theme. I've got a little house I'm going to place inside, and the sign, the candy cane sign, and the gingerbread. And we're going to try to squeeze these in. It did fit when I tried it off camera. Just making sure it fits in there nicely. There we go. Now I'm going to be doing some artificial snow, and there are so many different options when it comes to your snow. You can use little balls, poly kind of balls. You can use glitter, you can use salt or sugar. I'm going to be going with this fix and grout, so just some grout. I'm going to apply it with this lollipop stick. And I just really wanted to go for this kind of texture today. So I'm going to just take these off for now. And just on the side here, paste it on. And you can cover the whole wood if you like. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing that, but for now, I'm just going to apply that and go around the whole wood slice. And I do like to add a little bit of glitter when I'm done, so I will be doing that. So I did go and cover the whole slice, and while we're doing that, just so it can all dry at the same time, take your glass and you can add a little bit right here. So what we're going to have at the top is a candle, and you can go for any candle you want, any size, style. I've got this white one and I love it because of the burnt, like dripping candle wax effect there. And this is how it's going to fit, just like that. But because I have all of this space here, I do want to add a little bit of snow. So I'm going to do that right now, just using the same grout. I've left a little circle, as you can see. Place your candle and just see if there's any little gaps, then push the grout right up to the candle. This is optional. I'm just taking some white glitter and I'm going to sprinkle that on the grout just before it dries, and add a little bit of sparkle, magic and shine. And then of course on the top where I've placed the candle, now you see this detail on the candle. I want to do the same thing on the side of the wine glass. So I'm taking my hot glue, and first we're just going to apply some on the side like this, not all the way around, but just at the front. And this is just going to allow us to build on like this, small amount down, just dripping. I just wanted to show you how it's dried, so you can see the icicles. I've also brought the hot glue down right here and also added the same effect to this part of the glass. And now we are going to go and paint this. So I'm just going to be using my white acrylic paint to do this, and just a regular paintbrush. And while the paint is wet, again I'm just going to take a little bit of glitter and sprinkle that on. And then we're working our way down, just taking the paint across the stem of the glass. down to this part here, and the paint isn't really sticking to the hot glue that well, but that's why I found when I added the glitter it's all covered, as you can see here. So don't worry if your paint is looking kind of runny or a little bit see-through. Just add the glitter on it and you'll be fine. So I'm just sprinkling the glitter again all over this. Then I'm going to be taking some stickers. I like to add, can you see these little stars and snowflakes? Let's take a star and we're going to add that to the glass. It really looks beautiful because it's clear. So I'm going to grab the glass back and I'm just going to place these on here. This time we'll take a snowflake. I'm bringing my ornaments back and I'm placing them, this is now dried, placing them back on the wood. I'm taking my glass, placing that on top. We're going to finish off with a bow, which I'm going to place right here on the stem of the glass. I'm also taking one of these which comes with the leaf, but I don't like the leaf, so I've ripped that off. There it is. And I'm going to be using this, just the balls with the snow on, or the berries rather. And I'm going to cut this because it's too long, so I don't need any of that, but I'm going to bring it back right here. Let's move the camera. I'm going to bring it back behind the glass. So this is how the project looks all complete. We've made a winter wonderland, candy cane, gingerbread man themed, and it's like a snow globe. I love it. It's made out of a wine glass, and I think this is great as decor. You can carry this out until winter as well, not just for Christmas. It makes a wonderful handmade gift, and if you craft to sell, this is a really great option as well. You also have a few ways of displaying it without the candle on, with the candle on, and it just looks amazing when you've turned the room light off as well. So I hope that this has inspired you and that you enjoy this project as much as I have. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and leave me a like. Share this video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.